together.
Hey! I can roll with that crew any day.
Number 5, we start off Candace and Allie with Lil Rage, Russell Westbrook and Candace. Watch Ben Simmons go down real quick.
Oh.
That looked like when I was trying to guard Candace in a post. You know, remember that one fan night? But that's okay. Russell Westbrook.
He went down.
He did go down. Number
That
4.
when you look behind you like, was there something there?
Yeah,
Oh no,
you gotta make sure. He talks about somebody. Jaw Dropper. I love this nickname. We came up with this, me and Justin, research. Going against DeMar DeRozan. Not fair. Oh, don't up fake you like that. Candace, I need you to put that in your game next year.
Yeah, I like this move by Ja. That fake hezzy. He could shoot it into the runner, and then he says he's too small when he's running down the court.
He's like too small. I'm like, if I'm DeMar DeRozan, I'm a little upset. Number 3, the dry cleaner. It looks like Drew Holiday. 1 hour service. Oh, don't jump. That's pretty good. I wish I had that in my game where you making guys just jump for no reason. You gotta be able to shoot it like that. Don't stop on a dime, Steph.
Oh, that change of pace is so good.
That's just so good, isn't it? My knees hurt when I watch it though. Here we go. The bus driver. Well, we're in Brooklyn. Kind of like in close to New Jersey.
Time to go to school,
Are you ready? The bus driver. Going through his leg.
Oh my
Talk to me about that, Candace.
His layup package is out of this world. First of all, changed speeds with the best of them, and then finishes with a nice left on the right side.
Right through the legs and with the left, like you said. His layup package. I mean, you can do it a lot of different ways. And the number 1, Allie, ice tray. You ready, Allie?
I'm ready.
Okay, here he is. Okay, Grayson Allen. Keep your hands up, but there he goes. Don't be telling the ref he grabbed your jersey. Easy. Play some D. And the next play.
I don't know who got it worse. About you just kind of went with it.
He did.
Ooh, this one I love it. Come here. Come here. Ooh. Ryan Archidiakono. That's not good. Uh-oh.
It took him a second to get back out there too.
Especially when you got the little man bun. Don't do that. Oh. Get your hands up. And that's ice tray. The number 1 play. I don't like the man bun though, Ryan. I don't really like that.
There it is. Smitty's under the rim. By the way, Smitty wants all of you to send your favorite Candace Parker plays because we want to get some Candace Parker top plays under the rim. Make sure you
top 5.
It's been an honor to spend 2021 with y'all.
Yes.
We'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Happy New Year.
Gotta do the wave.